All right, class, so for today's lab, we're going to simulate how predators like bats and birds hunt for different colored insects. These beans are representing moths, and the moths are going to be trying to hide in different environments. So you need black beans to represent dark colored moths, white beans to represent light colored moths, a dark background to represent dark environments, a light-colored background to represent light-colored environments. And then you're going to need a cup with a hole punched in it and a stopwatch timer. I've got an iPad working for that. Now, we learned about how moths during the Industrial Revolution went from being light in color to dark in color as there was more soot on the forest and the trees, making the dark-colored moths more camouflaged. And then when environmental protections were put into place and the trees went back to their normal lighter color, the dark-colored moths died out and the light-colored moths were seen again. So we're going to simulate that in today's lab. I've got my assistant here. Say hi, assistant. Hi. And what she's going to do, hold this cup. You're going to look through the cup. Look through that little, look with both eyes through that cup. Yeah, that's like you being a bird from high up in the sky, or a bat. So you've got to be far away. And then what we're going to do is take 15 black beans, 15 white beans, and mix them up on the table. I'm going to pause so we can do that. All right, now we've got 15 white and 15 dark colored beans. And what we're going to do, Luna, close your eyes. So we're going to mix them out over here. And we're going to simulate when all that soot was out in the environment. So we're going to mix them up.
I'm not very good at closing my eyes.
Oh, you'll be just fine. All right, and then just like a bird or a bat, you're going to try and hunt for moths. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to do it.
Me?
Yeah, so you're going to hold this in front of your face, and I want you to pick up one bean at a time, looking through the cup. You have to look through here. Yeah, you see the hole there? Mm-hmm. Picking up one bean at a time, and I want you to figure out how many, or I want you to see how many beans you can get before the timer goes off. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. On your mark. Get set. Go. All right, put it on the white paper. Put it on the white paper. All right, hunt some more. Put it on the white paper. Hunt some more. Hunt some more. Let's take 10 more seconds. Keep hunting. You got to eat all of the moths you can. Get as many moths, one at a time. You're supposed to look through the cup. 3, 2, 1, stop. And what you see is that she hunted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black moths, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 white moths. Now what these moths that are left over are going to do is they're going to multiply. All right. So for every one bean, we're going to double it. So let's go ahead and do that. So what you should be able to see is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 black beans, 10 black moths that survived, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 white moths that survived. Okay, now why did the black moths survive more? You tell me. So now the white moths and the black moths multiplied. So we've now, instead of 10, got 20 black moths, and instead of 7, 14 white moths. And the bird, bat, is going to go hunting again. Now we got to mix them all up. So we're going to mix them. Close your eyes. My assistant is closing her eyes. We're going to get them all mixed up. All these moths are going and hiding in the forest. All right, put the cup over your eyes. Wait for my signal. Wait. I'm picking up one at a time. I'm going to give you 40 seconds, same amount of time. Go. All right. The bird is hunting moths. You got to look. Look through the cup. Look through the cup.
I'm going to get so many on the sink.
All right. 20 more seconds. So that way we have the same as before. Looking through the cup. Three, two, one. That's it. All right, stop. All right, our hunter was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 white moths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 black moths. So let's look at how many are left in the environment. Now what you should see is we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 white moths that survived, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 black moths. Why were there more black moths than white moths? Maybe their coloration had something to do. The black ones had an easier time hiding against that predator. Now let's see what happens when those environmental regulations went into place and the soot left the forest and the camouflaging worked in a different way.